In this video, I'm going to show how to replace a serpentine belt on this Nissan Frontier. This is a 2.5 liter engine and the belt is located right on the front of that engine. Let's get started. Grab onto this air tube and turn it counterclockwise. If you're looking at it from the front, that's going to make this channel get to right about here. As soon as it stops, you can pull this back. That'll unlock it from the air filter housing. Pull it out of here. Now remove these two 10mm headed bolts and lift up this intake tubing and set it aside over the engine. Using a 14mm socket and ratchet or a serpentine belt tool or even a wrench, if that's what you have, push down on the tensioner, which is this right here. That's going to relieve pressure off of the belt. You can then slip it off of whatever pulley you can. The tensioner is the easiest, and then you can pull it off of something else so you can bring your tool up and remove the tool. And you can now reach in for the belt and pull it away. On the screen, you'll see the belt routing diagram, and you'll follow this to put the belt back on correctly. I found it to be easiest if you start on the crank or the harmonic balancer and then go up from there. Whether you go to the left or to the right, it doesn't matter, whatever works best for you. What you do want to make sure of, though, is that the belt is seated on all the pulleys in the center of them, especially on the ribbed ones. You want to make sure that every single rib is perfectly seated. Otherwise, the belt will jump off eventually. With the belt mostly on there, put your tool back on the tensioner, remove tension. That should give you the slack you need to slip the belt back on that last pulley. Okay, it's on there. Ensure that it is flat and mounted evenly on all the pulleys. I'm going to give it a quick spin because I can, just to ensure that things are seated, and they are. Everything looks good. All right, so I'm going to let go of this, and that belt is reinstalled. We'll get this intake reattached and reattach the two 10mm headed bolts right here on the radiator support.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.